Hello, good afternoon guys. I'm here in the front of the Triga IFP 2100 ECS release. Okay. As I promised before, I will teach you the basic operation of the control panel. So as you can see, we have an alarm. Okay. If you want to see the alarm activation, you will see the X and the back arrow. Okay. So this is the previous alarm and this is the latest alarm. Okay. There is a supervisory trouble. And there's a trouble, there's a silence, and there is a reset button. Okay, if you want to silence. Okay, so as you can see here, you can do also a pipe drill and acknowledge. So let us check the supervisory trouble. We have here a bulb close at the diesel pump port at the pump room. Diesel pump port at the pump room. We have one, so we have another one. We have the electric pump fault at the pump room. So we have a total of 2 supervisory. So how can we disable this supervisory fault? Or if there's an alarm, we have the same sequence operation. So there is an address of 96, L196. Okay. So loop 1, 96. First you have to insert the access code. And then outpatient clinic, enter. So you have to go to point function. You have to disable the device. So you go to the loop 1, ground floor, and disable enable option. So you have to go enter and press. You go to number 7, 67, disable and enable points. So you go to enter and loop 1. Okay, so which sensor or module? So we go to sensor. We go to module because this is a monitor module. So you have to insert what number. This is a 96. Okay, so 96, and you press enter. Okay, after that you will see a 96 electric pump port. So you will go to disable the arrow is there, right? So you have to press the arrow and wait for the active to become disabled. So if you will notice, it's already disabled. So another, you can go back. You have to check again which is the which you want to disable. So before I saw 95, you have to insert 95 and press enter. We have a jockey pump fault. Okay, so if you want to disable, normal. Okay, for example, you want to disable. You see the normal is it become disabled. Okay, so what else? What else are disablement? We have the 98. Okay, for the diesel pump fault, so we go for 98. This one we will do if you want to enable. Okay, before we disable this one, if you want to enable, you have to press the right arrow for enable, and you will be changed to the status. It become normal. Okay, so we'll check this 98. You have to press 98. 98 here. Press enter. So the 98 is there. Diesel pump fault. So you press that right arrow for the disablement, and you will see the active become disabled. So now it's okay. You already disabled 2 supervisory fault. Okay, so you got to exit 1. Okay, press left arrow until it goes back to normal operation. So as you can see, there's no supervisor signal. It goes to the trouble. Okay, you will see the trouble. Disable the there's a one disablement, smoke detector, and then before we disable the electric pump fault 96, and the other one we have the 98 for the diesel pump fault that we disabled before. So this is the way we can disable the device. Okay? So, if you want to go more, you have to know the access code. So, like for example, I know the access code. So, you have to check. This one is the system test point function. If you want to check the event history, okay, it's there. Set time and date. So, you only press the arrow. Okay. You go down, network diagnostic. If you want to diagnose the network, we have a network programming. Okay. What is the address? And panel programming. Okay. So this is the example picture. So example, you can go back. You have to press the access code before you go to the main menu. You enter the password. And you see there is an outpatient clinic. I put enter. And all the features available. Okay. System test. So you just press arrow to go down. Okay. See the arrow, point function, event history, set time and date. We have network diagnostic. Okay. We have the network programming and panel programming. For example, you want to know what is the panel programming. Okay, you know the console is there. The panel programming. Okay. So you press enter. You will see which panel. Okay, you go to panel 1 or panel 2. Like for example, now I press panel 1. So you will see module, show number, group number, points, okay, system options, jump start, and voice system exit menu. Okay. Later on, we will go more. I will go exit. Just press the left arrow. Okay. They said simple programming. Okay. No. Exit. Left arrow. So this is the special features of the Triga. Okay, whatever the alarm activation, here it will be displayed in the alarm. Okay, and you will see in our mimic panel where exactly the locations, either the zone 1 basement, generator room, corridor pump room, first floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor for the zone 1. Okay, that's the pump room. And also zone 2, we have the transformer room, electrical room, transformer room, and LV room. This is the LCC room. Here, the protected by 200 MB room. Okay, ground floor to roof floor. We have the zone 3. We have the ground floor, first floor, second floor, roof floor. And we have the zone 4. Okay, basement, ground floor, first floor. So this is about the mimic panel. Whatever the display in the alarm panel, it will be available also in our mimic panel. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead. Okay, bye-bye. God bless you all. Bye-bye.